With the Send-out report function, you can request a report based on the full list of your samples, use filters based on the desired criteria, and print or email the results. For detailed instructions, follow the step-by-step instructions. Click the Management button to enter the application. Click the Reporting button. Click the Send-out Reports button. When you first enter the Send-out report, the list of samples will not appear because you have not selected the appropriate filters. To enable the desired filters, click the Grid Fields button. Enable the filters you want by checking the box. When you enable filters, the activated filters will automatically appear in the filter field. To confirm and save the selected filters, click the Apply button. After confirmation, the filters you selected will automatically appear in the menu each time. You can change the list of filters at any time from Grid Fields. After activating all filters, all samples that were in the Send-out will appear. Click the Samples Display drop-down menu and select the desired number of samples you want to appear per page. Click the appropriate buttons to view the next page or the previous page. Select the desired criteria using the filters you selected for the sample, after which only those samples that match the filters will remain in the list of samples. To clear the desired result and return the filters to the initial stage, click the Clear All Filters button. In the Send-out Report Samples list, you can view any sample delivery memo documents that were generated after the send-out was created. Click on the delivery number to view the delivery memo document. Just like when creating a send-out, in send-out reporting you have the option to download the document in Excel format, send it via email, make changes, print it, and print the sample barcode. Click the X button to close the delivery memo document page. To send a list filtered by your desired criteria or a complete list to Send-out reporting, click the Email button. Enter email address in the first field. Enter the email subject in the second field. Enter the desired text in the text field and click the Send button. A message about the successful sending of the Sent-out report will appear in the top center of the screen. The recipient will receive an email with a link to the Send-out report you sent. Click the link to view the Send-out. After clicking on the link, you will be redirected to the Send-out report where you can view a list of all the samples in the report you generated. Click on the photo to see a sample photo. Click anywhere to close the photo preview. If you wish, you can download the Send-out report to your device in PDF or Excel format. To download the Send-out report, click the Save button. To download in PDF format, click the Save button in PDF format. To download in Excel format, click the Save to Excel button. You can view the downloaded Send-out report document in PDF and Excel format. To print the list of samples included in the Send-out report, click the Print button. Select the desired settings for your printer and click the Print button. To view and enlarge a photo of the items included in the Send-out report, click on the sample photo. Click the X button to close the window.